Drones are becoming a common way to collect data for engineering projects, but that data often needs a little extra processing before Civil 3D can use it. A DEM, or digital elevation model, is a raster where each pixel stores an elevation value. In this case, I was working with a DTM, which represents the bare Earth surface. I needed to bring that file into Civil 3D so I could build a surface for design. In a blank drawing, right-click Surfaces in the Prospector tab of the tool space, and choose Create Surface. Review the settings in the dialog box, make any needed adjustments, and then click OK. Next, add the DEM to the surface definition. In the Prospector tab, expand Surfaces, open the surface you just created, and expand Definition. Select DEM Files, click Add, then browse to your DEM file. Open it, and click OK to build the surface. Now type ZE into the command line and press Enter to zoom to the extents of the drawing. If nothing appears in model space, check the surface properties to confirm the import failed. In the Prospector tab, right-click the surface and open Surface Properties. Then go to the Statistics tab. If no data appears there, the surface likely did not import correctly. At that point, delete the DEM files definition and rebuild the surface. Here's a workaround that can make the raster usable in Civil 3D. Start by opening the raster in a GIS program. In this example, I'm using QGIS. Go to Layer, then Add Layer, and choose Add Raster Layer. Click the ellipsis next to the raster dataset box. Browse to the file and open it. In the Data Source Manager window, click Add, then close the window. Before moving on, make sure the raster and the map are using the correct coordinate system. Next, open the raster calculator from the raster menu. In the raster bands list, double-click the raster you want to fix so it appears in the expression box. Then add *1 to the expression. This simply rewrites the raster values without changing the elevations. Choose an output location, name the new file, then click Save. Make sure the output CRS matches the drawing and source raster. Then click OK to create the new raster. Back in Civil 3D, add the new raster to the surface definition. Under Surface, select DEM Files, click Add, browse to the new raster, and open it. Then click OK. Type ZE into the command line and press Enter to zoom to the extents of the drawing. This time, the surface should appear correctly using the adjusted raster. This issue appears to be related to how some DEMs are encoded or packaged, and this QGIS step can help make them usable in Civil 3D. Thanks for watching. If this helped, please like the video and subscribe for more Civil 3D tips.